Chinese-made smartphones are gaining popularity in Kenya due to their multitude of functions and low cost. The most popular Chinese brands include Xiaomi, Huawei, and Tecno.
My user for Tecno Camon 17. I specifically bought this phone because it's amazing. It has good specs. The camera is amazing considering I'm a girl. I love it and it's affordable in the market, especially the Kenyan market.
I've ever used a Chinese smartphone. And as we all know, like Chinese and technology, they are really conversant with the current technology. The Chinese smartphones, they are available almost everywhere.
I started using Chinese bed phones last year. Apparently, the phones are better off compared to others. And also they are, when it comes to, what we, the youth, want for the phone, like good camera, they have it.
Many Kenyans depend on their phones for their day-to-day errands due to the popularity of the mobile payment platform M-Pesa. It's estimated that 96% of Kenyan households rely on M-Pesa to send, receive, and store money. Anthony Brian Otieno, brand retail manager at Tecno Kenya, said that his company's products have taken root in the Kenyan market because they are designed to offer solutions to local consumers.
These products are being preferred because in Tecno specifically, we think globally and act locally. By this I mean we think of a brand or a product that has solution for the consumers. At the same time, we come with the knowledge that the economic situation is also not as good. So we're bringing in a product that still gives you the best features and solution, but at an affordable price, looking at the pockets of our consumers.